Sunnahs before sleeping. 1. Make wudu, ablution. The Prophet Muhammad encouraged making wudu before sleeping, as it keeps you in a state of purity throughout the night. 2. Sleep on your right side. The sunnah is to lie on the right side, placing the right hand under the cheek, following the practice of the Prophet. 3. Recite Ayatul Kursi. Reciting this verse before sleeping brings Allah's protection, and no harm can come near you until morning. 4. Recite the 3 calls. Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq, and Surah An-Nas should be recited. Then blow lightly into your hands and wipe over your body for protection. 5. Say the sleeping dua. In your name, O Allah, I die and I live. Islam religion. Glorify Allah. Tasbih, Tamid, Takbir. Say Subhanallah 33 times, Alhamdulillah 33 times, and Allahu Akbar 34 times before sleeping. 7. Dust and clean the bed. Religion, Islam religion. The Prophet advised wiping the bed before lying down to remove anything harmful. 8. Forgive others in your heart. Sleeping without holding grudges brings peace to the heart and spiritual reward. 9. Make intention to wake for Fajr. Having the sincere intention to wake up for prayer earns reward even if you fall asleep. 10. Remember Allah until sleep comes. Staying in dhikr, remembrance of Allah, helps end the day with faith and protection.